This video describes the part data features in the Enforcer Smart Manufacturing software. Part data is the information and test results collected throughout the manufacturing process. Part data can be stored at two different levels, the router level and the operation level. These levels help to organize the data and avoid redundant information. The router level is typically used to store details that don't result from a particular operation. Examples of these fields would be product serial number, model number, manufacturing facility, and production line. If information is specific to a particular operation, that data would typically be stored at the operation level. Information and results collected within an operation would be stored in the part data for that particular operation. To define the router level part data, click on Process Setup, then Digital Process. Use the select box in the top left corner to choose the desired router. Then click on the Part Data bar at the top to display the router level part data fields. Double-click in the Name field to enter a new element. Enter the data field name, description, and data type. Based on the data type, additional information may be required to fully define the field. Several additional columns are present in the table to specify all the details. Once all the router part data has been entered, the operation part data should be defined. Click on the Operations menu bar at the top of the screen to start the process. Then click on the Part Data menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Finally, select the desired operation from the pick list in the left column. The operation's existing part data fields will be displayed in the middle of the screen. Adding new fields is accomplished in exactly the same manner as described previously in the router part data section. In addition to the part data features, the software also includes the ability to define part group types and component group types. These features provide the ability to further organize and track data in a manner that maximizes benefit to your process. Part groups can be defined to segregate data and define attributes that add further context to the information. This provides the ability to scrutinize results for a troublesome group of products, to isolate which products are causing yield reductions, and to track the benefits of process improvements. Component group types provide the ability to define raw material and subassembly lot numbers. When products are built using these materials, the lot numbers and their defined attributes are associated with the finished product. This provides several benefits. If a supplier issues a recall on a material lot, the exact products utilizing these parts could be identified. This could greatly reduce the scope and expense of a recall. Yields could be calculated based on part suppliers to identify your most exceptional partners.